Namaste. Myself, Dr. Vishwajit Rajput, Assistant Professor, Department of Shalyatantra, Gokul Ayurved College, Siddhapur, Patan. In the previous lecture, we had discussed about Shastra, that is, different types of Shastras, its definition, karmas, all the guna and dosha of Shastra, its classification, their number, and diagrammatic presentation of Shastras. So, in this lecture, we complete remaining the Shastras which are mentioned in the Samhita. In the last lecture, we came across the Sharari Mukha Shastras. This will be a last one, which means it is Caesar. Next, we move to the Antarmukha Shastra. Antarmukha Shastra तद्वदंतर अंतर्मुखम तस्य फलमध्यम अर्धम अंगुलम. It means Vagbhata describes a variety called half moon faced shastras, that is ardha chandranana means half moon faced Caesars, which in the blades are curved like the half moon. Blades are curved like the half moon. You see that, okay? In the diagram, you can see what the Vagbhata describe. It is a Caesar in which the blades are curved like a half moon. It has the length of 8 angula. 8 angula. Blade measuring the half anguli. Measuring the half anguli. It is used to drain abscess. It is used to drain the abscess. Next one, it is Trikurchika. Trikurchika. This instrument consisting of 3 needles fixed to a wooden handle. Having the blade of 3 angula and handle it is 5 angula. Having the blade of 3 angula and handle having the 5 angula in a size. Actually, Sushruta has mentioned its length, which is 8 angula. उसमें 2 dividation होते हैं. It has 2 dividation in that. Blade having 3 angula and handle having 5 angula. Its uses for the evacuating the abscess. Evacuations means to evacuate, means to drain the abscess, and second one is draining blood from the nasal polyps. It is also one type of Trikurchika Shastra, that is metal brusher for the use of cleaning lap instruments and suction the tubes. For cleaning lap the instrument and suction the tubes. Then move to the Kutarika Shastra, having the shlok Pruthu Kutari Godanta Sadrusham Ardhangulanam Tayordhvar Dandaya Vidher Duparyo Sansthanam Stitham Siram. Means it is a small instrument shaped like an axe. कुराड़ी जैसा लगता है. The blade is like tooth of a cow. It has width of 1 anguli. The blade is like tooth of a cow. And it has width of 1 anguli. It is used for venesection of veins situated on bones. Kutarika Shastra. This is surgical axe Then we move to the Vrihimukha Shastra. Vrihimukha. It is described as a type of trocar. As a trocar. This is a trocar. You see in the next slide. Vrihimukha Shastra means trocar. It is described as a type of trocar. The sharp end is shaped like a grain of paddy. Like a grain of paddy means चावल के दाने के समान लगता है इसका जो शेप है. इट इज डिस्क्राइब्ड एज अ टाइप ऑफ ट्रॉकर. द शार्प एंड इज शेप्ड लाइक अ ग्रेन ऑफ पैडी. लेंथ इज ऑफ 1/2 अंगुलर. 1/2 अंगुलर. यूज्ड फॉर द पैरासेंटेसिस इन उदर रोग. पैरासेंटेसिस मीन्स उदर रोग मीन्स ascites like diseases. It is used as a paracentesis means to remove the fluid in the udara roga. It is called as Vrihimukha Shastra. See the modern diagram, that is trocar. These are the disposable trocars. Disposable trocars. Then move to the Ara Shastra. Ara Shastra is a quadrangular rod. It is a quadrangular rod with a conical sharp tip of 1/2 angular. See the diagram. It is a quadrangular rod with a conical sharp tip. Conical sharp tip of 1/2 angular. 1/2 angular its length. It is for verifying the राइपनेस माना पक्व अवस्था लाने के लिए इसका उपयोग किया जाता है. वेरीफाइंग द राइपनेस ऑफ एब्सेस एंड पंक्चरिंग थिक ईयरलोब. पंक्चरिंग थिक ईयरलोब. सी द मॉडर्न डायग्राम. यू गेट द you easily understand the description. It is a quadrangular rod with a conical sharp tip of 1/2 angular used for ripeness of the abscess and puncturing thick earlobe. Okay, this diagram clearly indicates the description we see in the Ara Shastra. Then move to the Vetasa Patra. Vetasa Patra. श्लोक इज वेतसम वेदने स्त्राव्ये शरार्यास्य त्रिकूर्चके कुशाटावदने स्त्राव्ये 2 अंगुलम स्यात्तयो फलम. 2 अंगुलम स्यात्तयो फलम. You see first the diagram, then we move to the description. It used for the Vedana purpose and having the length of 2 angular. Having the length of 2 angular. As per the modern, it is described as a scalpel. See the scalpel having the different number of the blades and different sizes of the blade. Vetasa Patra Shastra. Then move to the Badisha Shastra. Badisha means sharp hook, hook like. Badisha means hook like. See the diagram. Then we move to the description. Shloka. Grahane shunthi kamardabe badisham suna tananam. It is a hook with properly bent tip. It is a hook with properly bent tip used meant for holding the suntika, that is tonsils, or arma, that is pterygium. Meant for holding the suntika, that is tonsil, and arm means pterygium. This is the diagram. It is a C. It is a hook like properly with a bent tip. Okay. Then move to the दंत शंकु, दंत शंकु और दंत अलेखन, दंत लेखन. Okay, see the danta shaku diagram, that is tooth scraper. You see the diagram here in the model. So it is a dental lancet, has four angles, fused at the tip to one sharp end. See the diagram. Dental lancet has four angles, fused at the tip. टिप की जगह फ्यूज हो रहा है, फ्यूज्ड एट द टिप टू वन शार्प एंड, इट इज मेंट फॉर स्केलिंग टीथ इन केस ऑफ दंत शर्करा, फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ स्केलिंग. ओके, दंत शंकु और दंत लेखन, इट इज यूज्ड फॉर scaling the teeth. Okay, clear? So we move to the next shastra, that is Eshani. श्लोक. गतेरन्वेषणे तक्ष्णा गंडूषपदमुखश्नेष्णी वेदनार्थे अपरा शुचिमुखा मूलनी विष्टखा. It has two types. Okay, it has two types. One is having smooth body with round tip like earthworm, and another is smooth tip shaped like a needle with a slit at its root. You get more about from the diagram following. See the Eshani, and this will be a next sharp probe, that is second type, which I mentioned in the second line. So it has basically two types. One is having smooth body with a round tip like a earthworm, used for exploring the sinuses, and second one is it should have a smooth tip shaped like a needle with a slit at its root. ऊपर की जगह एक हल्का सा स्लिट होता है रूट की जगह. यूज्ड फॉर भेदन मीन्स इंसिजन, that is incision. Then we move to the anushastras. श्लोक. अनुशस्त्राणि तु त्वक्सारस्फटिक काच कुरुविंद्र जलौका अग्निक्षार नखगोजी शेफालिका शाकपत्र करीरवा लांगुल लय इति. Means there are total 14 anushastras as per the Shushruta. Their Sanskrit name and the English name are mentioned in the below. Dvakasara means bamboo, Spatika means rock salt, Kacha means kaach or kaach means glass pieces, Kuruvinda means corundum stone. It is you easily just Google it, you see its images. Okay, Kuruvinda means corundum stones, Jalauka means leech, Agni means fire, Kshara means caustic alkali, Nakha means nail, leaves of jogi means gojivah or gojivah, Shefalika, these are the patras definitely, Saka, Karira, Bala means hair, Anguli means finger. Then we move to the Shastra Payanam Vidhi. Means Shastra Payanam means शस्त्रों को तेज करने के लिए फॉर इट्स प्रॉपर सुकौर्यम मीन्स इट्स actions to be made smoothly with the vidhi of payana. So it's called shastra payana. Tempering of the instruments in English. श्लोक तेषां पायना त्रिविधा शारोदक तैलेषु तत्र शारपायितं शरशल्यास्तिच्छेदनेषु उदकपायितं मांसछेदन भेदन पाटनेषु तैलपायितं शिरावेदन स्नायु छेदनेषु. शस्त्रपायना is of three types, that is क्षार, जल and taila. Means instruments which are used for as a shastras is tempering in the following materials like क्षार, जल and तैल. क्षारपायति शस्त्रः मीन्स शल्य को निकालने तथा अस्थि छेदन में जो प्रयुक्त होता है उसको क्षारपायति शस्त्रः ऐसा भी कहते हैं. क्षार मीन्स अल्कली. टू इट्स यूज फॉर एक्सीजन ऑफ एरोज और फॉरेन बॉडीज मीन्स शल्य को निकालने के लिए तथा अस्थि छेदन के लिए क्षार का प्रयोग किया जाता है. उदकपायित मीन्स जल, वाटर. इट्स यूजेस इज एक्सीजन, इंसीजन, स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ मसल्स. स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ मसल्स मीन्स मांस के छेदन, भेदन और पाटन के कर्म में प्रयुक्त होता है. देन तैलपायित, तैल मीन्स ऑयल फॉर पंक्चरिंग ऑफ वेसल्स एंड फॉर एक्सीजन ऑफ नर्व्स मीन्स सिराओं के वेदन कर्म तथा स्नायु छेदन कर्म में प्रयुक्त होता है. सिराओं के वेदन तथा स्नायु के छेदन कर्म में प्रयुक्त होता है. देन इट इज शस्त्रधार. शस्त्रधार मीन्स धार मीन्स शस्त्र की धार को तेज करने के लिए डिफरेंट साइजेस के शिला माना स्टोन प्रयुक्त किए जाते हैं जो मैं आपको आगे एक्सप्लेन करूँगा. तत्र धारा भेदनां मासुरी लेखनान्न अर्ध आसुरी वेदनानां विस्त्रावणां च कैशकी छेदनामार्धम अर्धकैशकी किति. मीन्स different sizes of the dhara which is used for to make shastra shaft. So it uses different type of stones having the sizes as follows. मीन्स ऊपर का श्लोक का मतलब है शस्त्रों की धारा को तेज करने के लिए उड़द की रंग की शिला और जिस शस्त्रों की धारा को स्थिर रखने के लिए सेमल के वृक्ष का फलक में उपयोग में आता है. सो साइजेस ऑफ द धारा मसूर दैट इज पल्स. कर्म ऑफ शास्त्र इज भेदन दैट इज इंसीजन ऑफ इंसाइजिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट भेदन कर्म. अर्ध मसूरी that is half lentil that is lekhana karma that is scraping of the instrument. Kaishiki means here it is vedana vistravya that is puncturing and draining instrument, and ardha kaishiki that is a chedana using for excision. Then we move to the शस्त्र, निशान एंड धारा. समस्त पाण शास्त्र निशान एंड धारा समस्त पाण. that is sharpening of the instrument. श्लोक तेषां निशानार्थं श्लक्ष्णश्लीलामाशवर्ण धारासंस्थापनार्थ शाल्मलीफलकम इति. For sharpening of the instrument, a smooth stone of a color of mash should be used. For maintaining of the sharpness, shalmali falak should be used. For sharpening the instrument, a smooth stone having the color of masha should be used, and for maintaining of that sharpness, shalmali falaka should be used. As I explained each and everything in this lecture by the means of diagrammatic and its descriptive descriptions of different shastra karmas, different shastras. So as per previous lecture and this lecture, you remember the definition of shastra, which is chedyam, bhedyam, lekhyam, vedyam, eshyam, aharyam, vistravyam and sivyamiti. These the instrument which are helpful in performing this procedure is called shastras. As you remember, chedyam means excision, bhedyam means incision, lekhyam means scraping, vedyam means puncturing, eshanam means probing, aharyam means extraction, and vistravyam means drainage, and sivanam means suturing. I just recall all the points. That is shastra karma mentioned by Acharya, Shushruta, Charaka, Ashtangradaya, that is 13 shastra karmas. Then classification of shastras, that is shastra and anushastra. As per the Shushruta, there are 20 shastras and there are 14 anushastras. Then classification, total 20 number of sharp instrument, that is shastras, that are mandalagra, karapatram, vriddhipatra, nakshatra, mudrika, utpalpatra, then ardhadhara, suchi, कुशपत्र, अतिमुखा, शरारीमुख, अंतर्मुख, त्रिकुर्चक, कुठारिक, देन व्रीहिमुख, आरा, वेतसपत्र, बडीश, दंतशंकु and एशनी. Okay, then there are different karmas, as shastra are based on different karmas. Then all the diagrammatic and schematic presentation of all the shastras I mentioned you, and then dosha, their karmas, and then finally there is anushastras. Anushastras are tvakasaras patika, kacha kuruvindra jalauka, agni kshara nakha, goji, shefalika shakapatra, Karira and Bala and Anguli. These are the different shastra, anushastras. Then you listen about Payana Vidhi to maintain the sharpness. For sharpness, there is shastra dhara and some shatapana. As you know, all the shastra karmas and their uses for the different purposes. At this way, we complete all the points in this shastra karmas. Thank you. Thanks a lot.